Hey there, welcome to the lawnmower blade replacement change. I don't know how to do this, I've never done it yet, so I'm gonna jack this thing up without taking off the deck because everybody says you have to and I want to try it out without doing that, thinking it'll be a little bit easier. I'm just gonna go to Canadian Tire and get some blades once we figure out exactly what size they are. I think that they're 21 3/8 or 22 3/8 according to the internet, but I just want to make sure, so I'm gonna take them off, see what kind of condition they're in. I'm also 70 subscribers away from being able to monetize. Sorry for the ad. I know some of the videos are kind of clickbaity and whatever, but if you're bored, subscribe. We'll see if I can get there or not. I don't think I'll ever really have the effort or the time to be like a fancy proper YouTuber, but just for fun every now and again, I appreciate you watching the videos. So I'll jack it up and get into it here. Okay, another important thing, I guess, just for safety, and I don't know how much you guys like your local hospital. I don't know how much you really want to see your local paramedics. So maybe we should pull the spark plug wire on this, which is going to be over on this side, it looks like. Yeah, right here. So we'll give that a pull. There we go. It's the first time that plug wire has been off, and you know what? This one's a single cylinder. Maybe I'll even check the plug too. And this mower is 3 years old, so wouldn't hurt. Let's close the lid again. So now it's safe and it's not gonna start up on me if I were to somehow spin the engine over with the PTO not engaged, which is not connected anyways, but safety first. Oh man, that's dirty under there. Look at that. These blades actually, so far, they don't even look too bad. I'm shocked with the amount of rocks and stuff that I've mowed. This is nuts. They definitely are dull, so we can totally see about sharpening them up, but maybe I won't even be replacing them. This is looking pretty good. There we go. All right, so let's have a look at this blade here. That's really not that bad at all. I mean, I've hit so many rocks with this thing, it's not even funny. Obviously the steel quality is pretty darn good. So I think that I'll get away with not having to go to the store today. I mean, it's chipped, but big deal. I can easily grind that on the bench grinder. Use a block of wood or something like that. But again, we've rendered it safe by disconnecting the spark plug on it, and this is a single cylinder engine, and that means that the engine cannot run. So I just jacked it up a little bit more. Gonna try this out. I don't have a short 24 mil socket, but that would totally make this a lot easier. So let's see here. Yeah, that's 65 foot-pounds right there. So that's fine. It's attached, it's on there. We're gonna, I guess I'll find a way, what can I line this up with? I guess I'll line it up with this little triangular bit there, and I'll put the other blade on parallel to that, and we'll see if we can get that one on. Okay, let's make sure that's actually in the keyway. There's little splines on the blade, and I just want to make sure that I get it lined up with the splines. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely 65 foot-pounds right there. Okay, so the blades are parallel now. You know what's funny though is they still spin independently. I don't know much about these lawnmowers obviously, but I guess it really doesn't matter what direction you put them on anyways. Your PTO is going to engage and they're going to be spinning super fast. It's funny. Yeah, so this really should be pressure washed. I'm not going to bring the pressure washer in the garage, but I really don't do a good enough job of cleaning the grass clippings off the bottom of the mower. And you can see there's like some surface rust in here. This mower is 3 years old, so I bet you if I was a little bit better with it, things would probably last a little bit longer. It's just really hard to find the time to do proper maintenance lately, just being so busy all the time. But here's a piece of blackberry bush. Yeah, I think I'll just scrape some of this garbage away here. Well guys, this pretty much covers this. You know, sharpening the blades and putting them back on that way is going to be pretty much the same process versus just replacing the blades. I figured that I would have to replace the blades on this. I thought they'd just be chewed up, and they actually weren't that bad. So really, for a 3-year-old mower, you know, that's not bad value. Not having to spend $60 on blades. Some of the ones from the John Deere website in the States, this is Canada, I looked at were like $30 for a pair of blades right from John Deere. That's not too bad. So overall, you know, not a bad mower. The only thing I have to do now for safety wise, now that I'm done with this, I just have to reconnect the spark plug wire. I might actually check that plug too and just see if it needs replacing. You know, I've done like 3 oil changes on this thing so far, so it might be time after 3 years. Anyways guys, hope you found some of that useful. If you like motorcycles, you like John Deere stuff, John Deere stuff, my bad. Stay tuned, and I'll try to keep posting stuff as often as I can. I don't think this will ever be more than just a hobby for me, but we'll see how it goes. I'm like 70 subscribers away from being able to monetize if YouTube allows me to do that. Not that I'll make more than a few cents a month, but if you don't mind, just click the button. It's not that big of a deal. I'd appreciate that. It's pretty cool. And yeah, stay tuned, and me and my brother will get out on some more rides and check out some more trails. So thanks for watching.